Prepare your phone first. That's what you need to do. The next step is to go to YouTube and select the video you want to watch. Then you'll get paid for doing it. As a result, all you need to do to get paid is to watch a YouTube video, which is exactly what you're doing right now by watching ours. Isn't that incredible? The method in today's video is simple and appropriate for newbies who have never made a penny online. You won't have to pay anything for it because it is absolutely free. You can continue to make money without having to pay anything because it is free and available everywhere in the world, which is exactly what we need. This strategy is available to everyone, even in the most remote parts of the world, because we all need a way to make money, especially in this pandemic. And because we care about our subscribers and listen to you, we always make sure everyone has a fair shot. To avoid confusion about the current approach, watch the entire video from the beginning to end. Also, don't fast forward to avoid missing any important information. In order to prevent you from getting lost, we'll walk you through the entire procedure step by step. We'll also give you guys some killer advice on how to triple your revenue today. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. We want you to open their website in front of your screens because this is how it should seem. On this website, we can watch videos to earn money. These are the most recent withdrawals, as you can see. And you can tell that we're dealing with real money because they are rather large amount rather than just messages. Let's start the process of opening a profile on this website. Click join in the top right corner of the site to get started. You should be directed to this page. Before clicking join now, you should now complete all of the necessary fields, including your username, email address, password, your location, and CAPTCHA. Boom! Once you finish doing that, you can now log into your personal account. Make sure your email address is genuine. Before continuing, visit your email inbox and click the link there to do this. Your freshly verified and activated account will be launched immediately as a result. We are currently inside of our account on our dashboard. In essence, you'll be able to view all the different methods you can utilize this site to earn money, along with the numbers of points you currently have. What about those who just arrived? From where do you guys hail? We would love to know about your favorite features of the channel so far, so please share them in the comment section below. Now that our attention is on money making, select YouTube Plays by clicking on one of the YouTube logos in the top bar. You will then be directed to this page. The good news is that you won't have to actively look for the movies on YouTube yourself, since you'll see that a YouTube video is there waiting for you to play it, so you can start making money right now. You can watch and click it from their website to get paid. The play button will immediately start the video on YouTube, which is exactly what we want because it won't require any additional effort on your part and you can start watching the video right away. The video will automatically terminate after your allotted 30 seconds are up, and another one will be ready for you after that. As you finish each video, you should notice an increase in your points. It goes without saying that the more videos you watch, the more money you can make. You can watch movies as many times as you want, and they will always be available for you to watch, earn points from, and eventually trade for money. If you've noticed, you can now decide to skip a video. This is great if you want to watch videos and find ones that you like and find interesting so you can focus on your assignment. There are many available videos that you can choose to watch or skip, which is great. Simply keep watching while skipping the content you don't want to earn money. I usually offer the advice to speed up every video. The videos can now be watched much more quickly as a result. You can simply mute the video and go about your day if you don't want to skip any of the videos because you believe doing so would be a waste of time, but you also don't want to be bothered by them. The movie will automatically finish after the specified 35 seconds, after which you can try again. On this website, you can also do a ton of other things like subscribe, like, or take other actions to earn money, which is great. Additionally, there is a Facebook option that you can like, comment on, and possibly promote. Instagram uses the same procedure as well. You have the choice to like, share, and comment. The same is true for Twitter, as well as favorite, react, and other network, as you can see in the example below. There are also additional daily incentives and a link, indicating that there are additional ways to monetize this platform, which is generally advantageous because it suggests there are numerous alternatives on a single website. Simply click this Cash Out button on your dashboard to pay out and you'll be sent right here. You can then choose your method of payment if you don't find what you're looking for. They provide you a choice that will allow you to start utilizing the payment method of your choice. After submitting a successful payment request, all you have to do is wait 3 to 5 days to get your money and carry on using this website as usual. As a result, as you can see, you will need to switch to your preferred payment method. If you want to effectively withdraw your money, there is only one thing you need to do, and that is to follow the instructions. Before we come to a conclusion, let's briefly go over what has occurred. You should therefore go to our original website, followfast.com. You will register there because it is the only website we have. After creating a free account, you'll analyze all of your options with an eye on focusing on the YouTube plays as a way to make money. Click the play button to start the videos. The video can be made silent, speed up, skip to the parts you don't want to see, and you can watch whatever you want. When your points have grown, choose Cash Out to turn them into cash. That's pretty much it once you take that money out. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.